Hey guys, so this is me just applying this on my face. I'm gonna tell you what I put on my face. The first thing I put on my face here is turmeric. I'm using turmeric powder. I had to leave it in the oil for like 4 days to a week, so the oil can get infused. And try as much as possible to keep it away from your eyes because it burns. It's like every time oil gets in your eyes, it just burns. I try as much as possible to use very good and high quality oil. So I usually drink the oil. Is part of something I do for my hormones.
I'm going to do a demonstration of myself drinking olive oil straight from the bottle so you guys just see. So you see, because I get to do this, I try to make sure that I'm going for the original. It always smells so good.
So one thing I need to let you know is that this video is not about how I got rid of the breakouts, but how I'm now finally getting rid of the dark spots. We're exposed to toxins almost every day. It's almost hard to avoid them. Sometimes what we're exposed to in the air, what we put in our skin, what we eat can affect our liver. So this can start to manifest on our face. Do check out my other videos for how I managed to stay clean from the inside out. How do I wash my face? Of course, I do have a bathing soap, but when I apply so much grease to my face, I use baking soda to take it off. I know it's abrasive, so I'm usually very gentle and make sure that the purpose of the baking soda is just to break down the grease on the face. And as you can see, after washing my face, it's still a bit oily. And I do that on purpose. One time now, two time now.